Hello friends, in this session now we are going to study about the systematic arrangement of elements on the basis of their electronic configuration. That means now we are going to discuss about the four different blocks which are based on the electronic distribution or electronic configuration of the elements. How? Now see here, group number 1 and group number 2 are totally considered in S block. Then this group number 13 to group number 18, these are all considered into the P block. From group number 3 to group number 12, these are all considered in the D block shown here. And these two lines from group number 3, period number 6, group number 3 and period number 7, these elements are considered into the lanthanides and actinides, but both are considered into the F block. Now, what is the meaning of all these blocks that we will see here? Now, S block elements, these are the normal elements in which only the outermost electron shell is incompletely filled. And here in first group, the number of electrons present in the elements is, atoms of the elements is 1. And here the number of electrons are 2. In S block, all the elements except hydrogen are metals. These are all metals except hydrogen. Okay. Now here in P block is starting from group number 13 to 18. Likewise, all these elements are in P block. In these elements, the number of electrons present in the outermost electron shell are ranging between 3 to 8. Here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only outermost electron shell is incompletely filled of all these elements. In this block, that means in P block, all types of elements are present. That means these are the non-metals, these are the inert gases, these are the metalloids, and these are the metals. Likewise, all types of elements are observed in this P block. S block elements and P block elements are considered as the normal elements because they contain, or the atoms of these elements contain, only outermost electron shell which is incompletely filled. But in this D block, from this group number 3 to 12, all these elements are having outermost 2 shells incompletely. Therefore, these are called as D block elements, or these are called as transition elements, because electrons jump in the outer orbit or into the lower orbit, due to which the valencies of these elements are changing continuously. Therefore, these are called as transition elements. And then these two series are here, in which the outermost 3 shells are incompletely filled. Therefore, these are called as inner transition elements. These are F block elements. Thank you.